We can't wait to be the change. It's not too late, free from hate. Think of the future that we could create. Face the facts today. There's a better way. Take one step back and say there's a better way.
Okay guys, just gearing up for the Georges River, the Basin trek organised by Emmanuel Machler. What I'm gonna roll, my sleeping system will be my tent minus the fly. I'm just gonna take my Aussie Army issue hoochie cover. I've checked it, and when it's spread out as a flat top, it covers the whole tent. So at the moment it doesn't look like it covers it because it's folded right over the top, but if I have it as a flat or at a slight angle like that there, then it covers the tent sufficiently. We're not expecting rain. September is usually a very mild month. You can see the sky is nice and blue. It'll be something like this, I expect. It'll be cold at night, but at least we won't get any rain. So that's why I'm not taking the full tent. I'm just taking the bottom, the actual zippered up tent for protection against mozzies and any other creepy crawlies. And then for cover, I'm just going to use the hoochie. That, if there is any precipitation, that should hold it. It's only going to be one night, so I'm not really worried. I'm not really fussed. I was going to go with a hammock, but I decided against it. The tent is very light and lightweight. It's a hiking tent, so I shouldn't have any problems with weight. Alright guys, cheers and happy camping. Okay, got about 2 lots of about 20 foot to 30 foot, about 30 meters of paracord there, about 10 meters, and about, I don't know, 12 meters maybe, roughly. Paracord. There's my hoochie, my central pole, and my pegs. So, and there's my tent. So I'm gonna roll it up and show you what it looks like all packed away. There's the bag. It's gonna be rolled up into a nice little bundle and then go in the bag. Okay, gals, this is my paracord and my tent all rolled up in a nice little bundle. Now it'll go into a nice little bag, and then I hook it up to my backpack. Okay guys, I got my sleeping mat, my first aid kit, my cooking and eating container, all equipment. I got my sleeping system, my tent, my tarp and my paracord, just attached to the bottom of the 511 Rush 12. I got my sleeping bag. My sleeping bag attached with carabiners at the top here, and a carabiner attached at the bottom here, so it can easily be taken off. Anyway, I can't do it one-handed, but it can be taken off. So when I'm ready to sleep, I can easily take it off. When I'm ready to get going again, I can quickly attach it. Anyway, you get the idea. There it is. I got my poncho. I got my snakebite preparedness kit. I got 2 emergency blankets. I got a little multi-tool in there. Got a pair of scissors, and I've got basically clamps. If anyone cuts an artery or whatever, we can clamp it down. I think they're called stents or something. I can't remember the actual term, but these things, they've got these teeth here and they clamp. So once you got something under pressure, it's not gonna open, it'll stay closed. And these are the funky angle tip ones, and the other ones are straight. So in an emergency, if someone is bleeding, we can clamp an artery. That's if they cut themselves or something. In here I've got, it's really hard to do this one-handed. In here I've got gloves, my GPS, I've got my walkie-talkie, UHF 40 channel. I've got tick repellent, mosquito and tick repellent. I've got sun cream. I've got my tinder. In here I've got my food and a few other bits and pieces. At the top here I've got my fire lighting kit and my Opinel. Okay, got a little sharpener. I've got some cotton dabbed with Vaseline. Okay. In here, the front pocket, got a little bit of paracord. I don't know, maybe probably 6 to 8 meters paracord. Got some spare batteries for the UHF. I got a lighter to fix my paracord if I need to cut it so it doesn't run. I've got some double A's for my GPS, some more double A's for my GPS. I've got my Kuya Adventures membership card, very graciously given to me by Emmanuel Machler. So we're gonna be on official Kuya Adventures business, so gotta be prepared. I've got a spare ferrocerium rod. I've got a little multi-tool thing that's got about 10 different uses, just a piece of metal really. And that's about it. So there it is. That's my Basin trip backpack. It fits really nice. It's a little bit on the heavy side. I'm gonna have to go through and see if I can cut some weight. I've got my water bladder that holds 2.5 liters of water. Plus on this side here I've got another bottle which holds about 1 liter, I think. So that's about 1 liter of water in a 511 water carrier pouch. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to do an actual proper video where I open every pouch. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look. I have to review whether I'm carrying too much weight or not. The pack actually feels comfortable, but I don't want to carry too much that I'm going to have to dump stuff along the way. So the most important thing is my sleeping system, my tent and my hoochie tarp, my sleeping bag, my sleeping mat, my cooking stuff, which basically is my water boiling mug, stainless steel. I've got my City Summit cutlery. I've got this. This is probably something I'm gonna have to ditch. I'm gonna have to rely on that because the food I'm taking is only gonna be stuff that I can add water to and eat. Whereas here, this would entail actually cooking something. So, in actual fact, I'm gonna make the decision right now, and I'm gonna go with that. That is staying. That's not going. Plus, I've got my my gas stove, which will help me to boil water if I need to brew a cuppa or boil water to you know, to cook soups or noodles or whatever. So that's my cooking and kitchen stuff. That's my food preparation. So that goes back in the bag. And that's it. That will now, I'll close it up in a sec, but that's basically it. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it, so I'll show you in more detail. I just wanted to give you a quick look at it. Alright guys, see you, cheers.
Don't want to be afraid, hard not to hesitate, but we can't wait to be the change. It's not too late, free from hate. Think of the future that we could create. Face the facts today, there's a better way. Take one step back and say there's a better way. Like a tree, rooted in peace, in peace, in peace. One with all living things, one life heart beating, with soul being, higher mind seeing. Our one world is breathing, with you and me, in harmony, revolving. Our destiny is evolving.